Whoa. Wait, let me get in here. Turn on the lights. Hello, YouTube. We're popping fireworks.
Alright, hold on. Let me find this one. Maybe it got pulled out. Shit, I don't know. Damn.
It's almost.
It got pulled out, y'all.
It did?
I think so.
Nope.
There it is. All
You have to tear it. You have to tear the whole thing off.
Nigga, get away from my car. You can't do it like that, Ellen. You'll blow all over.
Oh, I have it.
This is a big one. Turn my light off.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Turn the lights off. In the back too.
Okay. You see me good? Okay. We're popping fireworks before Thanksgiving. It's freezing outside. Oh great. It's coming. Just watch it. Get in.
Yeah. Just little.
right. You got my keys, right?
Yeah, I got everything. That's it.
Y'all wanna go do the other one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go light it.
Where is it?
God, it did. Which one
This
is
one?
it?
The 48 shots?
No. Do the big.
Where's the lighter?
Do the bomb.
No.
Why?
Let me see the lighter.
Go out there and light one and jump right back in the car.
What?
Cause I don't need no cops coming, dude. It makes me nervous. Watch your fingers.
Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. It's gonna. Hurry.
Oh, shoot. That's cool.